Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to store jackfruit seeds for a long time. First, carefully remove all the sticky pulp and stringy fibers from each seed. This step is crucial for preventing mold growth. After cleaning, rinse the seeds well under cool running water to ensure no residue remains. Then, spread them out on a clean tray or paper towel in a single layer and let them air dry for about 24 hours. This initial drying helps prepare them for longer storage. Once your jackfruit seeds are air-dried, you have a few options for long-term storage. For shorter periods, place them in an airtight container or a sealed plastic bag. Refrigeration is a good choice, keeping seeds viable for several weeks, sometimes even a few months. For the longest preservation, freezing is ideal. This method can keep your seeds fresh and ready for planting or consumption for over a year, maintaining their quality effectively. If you choose refrigeration, proper preparation is key. After air drying, put the seeds into a breathable mesh bag or a simple paper bag. Avoid plastic bags for refrigeration as they can trap moisture. Place this bag in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator where the temperature is consistently cool. Remember to check your seeds weekly for any signs of moisture, discoloration, or mold, ensuring they remain in good condition. For freezing, blanching is recommended to stop enzyme activity. Briefly boil the seeds for 2 to 3 minutes, then immediately plunge them into ice water to cool. Once cooled, pat them completely dry with a towel. Place the thoroughly dried seeds into freezer-safe bags, removing as much air as possible before sealing. This method ensures they stay fresh for extended periods. Also, for more great tips and deals, including information on the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.